Read the question carefully. Here we have been given trial balance. To begin with, let's have the formats. As we do always, let's begin with opening stock and show it on the debit side of the trading account like this. The next item is purchases. This also belongs to the trading account. Similarly, you can record sales return like this. After this, we have freight charges and wages. These are debited in the trading account. The next 4 items are the indirect expenses and hence are shown on the debit side of P&L account like this. Now look here. All these items are assets for a firm, so we post them on the assets side of balance sheet under their respective heads. Next item we have is drawings. We know this is to be reduced from capital amount, so we do it like this. Now we move on to the credit side of the trial balance. Here purchase returns is given. We show it as deductions like this. Next, you can record sales like this. Look at these items. Simply show all these on the liabilities side. Next is the commission. As it is given on the credit side of the trial balance, so it means commission has been received, and accordingly it is shown on the credit side of P&L account. Now the last item is interest on bank deposits. Again, as this has credit balance, so it means that the firm has received interest. Hence, it is a gain, and so it is credited to P&L account. Now quickly go through all the items and see if anything is left unrecorded or not. But don't you think we missed out closing stock balance? Don't ever forget to record this. Many students commit this mistake most often. Now let's close trading account first. Tallying both the sides, we can determine gross profit. This amount is brought down here in the P&L account like this. Now close the P&L account and ascertain the balancing figure. Here it is net profit. You can check the calculation part on your own. Next, we show this amount as addition to the capital in the balance sheet and show the final amount in the outer column like this. Finally, we can see that the total of the assets side is equal to the total of the liabilities side. Thus, both the sides are getting matched.